Yo, what's up, y'all? You know who it is. It's CoreyO, the infamous. You already know. CoreyO Cassette Classic Sounds. I know I haven't been around for a minute, but you know, I'm here. Um, let's start it off. I'm just going to keep it funky with y'all. And for those that don't know who I am and the sign that I am, I stand for, y'all see my shirt, you know that, because y'all don't know how I really move. All right? Yo, y'all can read it all through the night. And like for these minutes, yo, check it. All right? This shirt, I love it. All right? Let's start it off.
Easy Mo B.
Y'all seen I spit. Something came out my mouth.
Drop.
There you go. See Daisy. I rhyme crazy. Just started rapping. Never face me. Rap face me. Well, up against a rap Ferrari when use a hot dad style. World famous. Mars, Jupiter, and Uranus interplanetary. I bring a style for that vocabulary. Cause in the cemetery, I play some very large round. Can't count MCs that are buried. Don't slumber. Mac got the number to the tumbler on the rap stage. What I found, make your ass shake, articulate, cultivate, words that make you motivate, dominate, no mistake. Still jump here, you out here. It's time for you to counter attack. Words just like a last tack to push your wig back. Check it. Ready to go for the next snap. Rhymes intoxicating like your favorite cognac. Make a stack in a minute. Living rap while I'm in it. So long, live 7 digits, staying fat like the Guinness. No arch limits, the best in this. Cause every sentence, I get go make the world dog is Guinness. White people, let's get the sentence. My conditions, that won't save. I'm on your motherfucking business. Until I'm finished. MCs won't breathe, I'm with it.
I'd like to give a shout out to my man Craig, man. Rest in peace, man. Love you.
Like they reach the seas. You push keys. I still make.
Yo, my man Lotto, you know how we used to get down, man. 125th Street, Harlem World, yo, Harlem Day, Harlem Week. Yo, we used to get busy. Me, yo, Lotto, and yo, we was out there that one night, turned it out, man. That was, yo, I would never ever forget it. Yo, Lotto, if you see this video, you'll know what I'm talking about. But it's not this track. You know his major joint that was crazy.
I did that one night on the macro tour. For my label, smooth out on hardcore. It's 220 on the gauge when the pedal hit the floor. You got what I want, you got what I need. What I need, that's what we play with the house tonight.
Yo, if y'all can remind me, I gotta do a random, all right? Because I might get into it and forget to do a random. Y'all know today is random day, all right?
Yes, indeed. Come on, you got what I want, you got what I need. What I need. NYC in the house tonight. Boy, rock it, dude. Yes, indeed. Come on, sit down, MCs, cause you know you can't touch shit plus with dope rhymes like these. Hey, yo, my style is incredible. Ask Nat King Cole, he'll say, Max unforgettable. With the goal. You better call a medical. Doctor, I rock you, my style got full. Strong as a ball, make the earth stand still. Flavor until 24 made my first meal. Rippin', rockin', short shot hoppin'. Over MCs that need to be stoppin'. Back, damn right. So like water on the mic. Excite, round chippin' like a 10-speed bike. For the run them, took them, rap rubber looked them. When I stop rhyme, it's the Mac that will look them. Real, see, snook them. Each one of y'all can be. The next saute fricassee is me. Mr. Mac, I'm about to leave. The flyers from the inside of NYC. He or she, baby, to elderly, I'm in your STD. Bustin' rhymes in my sleep. See, you got what I want. You got what I need. Back for play in the house tonight. We rockin' you, yes, indeed. Rockin' you, yes, indeed.
Yo, this volume is, yo, I like this volume, how I kind of put it together just a little bit. I know y'all was feeling that. If y'all mad at me, I'm sorry. Yo, leave me a message and tell me you was upset. All right? Let me see. I got something else. Hold on. Hold on. When I say hold on, hold on, hold on. I still say hold on. Y'all remember this? Wait. I like the beginning of it. Yo, our BX family. Now you Yo, love this. I had to stop for a moment. This is real serious talk. Real serious talk. All jokes, everything, music. I'm serious. This is from the bottom of my heart. I've been going through a couple of things, life-threatening, but I'm thankful to be here. I'm thankful to be here, and I was almost gone. And this is facts. This is facts, man. And I don't want to jerk no tears or nothing. But I'm thankful that I had a strong support team. A strong support team. And a lot of people came to the hospital and see me. I don't put my business on Facebook or anything. I had a strong support team. I'd like to give a shout out to my whole support team. Everybody that was there for me, called me, texted me, came to see me. It's a lot of people, man, that slept over with me overnight, that stayed with me in a hospital, and I really want to say this from the bottom of my heart. I'm thankful, and that you're in my life, and I'm thankful that y'all was there to go through it was like a trauma situation that I was going through. And I didn't post no pictures or anything with all the things that was connected to me or nothing, and I'm thankful, man. I'm really thankful. And I'm thankful that God made the person that I am and put the people that are around me, and they really supported me. And I'm not going to really, get choked up right now. But I cannot say it no more. I am very, very thankful. And it's my abundance of love for everybody that was there. That even after I came home, I still got abundance of love to even to check on me, came to see if I was all right, even supported me, in certain many ways. It was, and I want to make this real short. I try to tell my son, he's like, yo, Dad, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. You don't know your best friend how long you knew him? He's like, well, that's my friend for 3 weeks, 4 months, or 5, or just, you don't know when your best friend is your friend when you go through something. It don't have to be financial, it's a support. It's a whole lot of that person that is your best friend. It's not even the years. It's not years. Years is added to it, but it's what that person in the years and y'all both did for each other and supported each other to be where you're at right now. And you could be saying oh, you remember then that year that, I don't want to get so deep into it, but I really want to say my major thing I want to say is I want to say thankful. I want to say thank you, and I'm thankful. Okay? I don't edit nothing. If I made a mistake and I slip, spit, or anything, if I drop my drink, or if I messed up anything, I don't edit anything. Everything is I'm still going to post this. All right? This still going to be on YouTube. All right? And I love y'all. And I've been off of Facebook for a minute, but I'm going to post this on Facebook too, because a lot of, Facebook fans, my friends, they don't really know. So I'm really going to put that out there too, and I definitely want to say God put a lot of people around me that was so supportive, and I can't if I could do everything I can do for everybody else that did something for me to make their life better, and I was in a position and they were like this, yo, Corey, the water was up to here and you put the water to my ankles, I would want to do that. That's the person I am. That is me. That's me. And I know you like this, yo, Corey, shut up. But, yo, I want to just continue on. Let's rock on, y'all, please. All right? This is, CoreyO Cassette Classic Sounds. Just got mushy. Where's my drink? Yo, that beat is hard. Yo, I gotta pause that. I have to hit y'all with something else, please, because I gotta hit to my random, because the random might be crazy. Hold on, let me see what's this. Hold on. The random might be crazy. Hold on, I never played a Jamaican joint. Never played the Jamaican joint. Bomba Clyde. About to hit you with the Jamaican shit. Yeah, your man CoreyO, he's going to Lincoln University homecoming. Y'all might say, for real? Yes. Me and my team, we going out there just for one night. Yo, when I get out to Lincoln, don't be like, yo, Corey, you wore that shirt again? Yes, I did. Because I'm telling you, I may be wearing this shirt. Nah, yeah, I'm telling you, I'm going to wear this shirt again. Yeah, I like this shirt.
I have never heard a sound place already, and so here we got sweet tune, a melody, the toad of the year. Never heard a sound place already, and so here we got sweet tune, a melody.
Yo, thanks, ice. Hold this. We was at Bentley's. They was playing this. I'm just reminiscing. Bentley's, Houlihan's. This joint was popping. Of course I know we was going to Lincoln. This was popping. Yo, Trav. Yo, this was popping. Word up. Yo, Tone. This was popping. Yo, Keith. Keith Rope was good. This is popping. Alright? Yo, give a shout out to all my God kids, Keith. Yo, love y'all, man. I love y'all. All y'all my God kids. Love y'all.
Never heard of sound place already, and so clear. My champion sound, where every sound fear. No sound I run up them mouth, and I chat but and in my chat we don't respond to that. My sound is the greatest, oh yes, that's a part of anywhere we play. I'm be a gunshot, look out it. Yeah, they want to and leave up them top. Music sweet, they from foot to head top. I have never heard of sound place already, and so clear. See that sweet tone, a melody, the crowd will beat.
Yo, quiet as it kept, I had to look and see if I was recording. Because if I wasn't recording, I was going to be upset. To drink some more? No, that means I doubled up. I just had to check. Sorry, y'all.
Never heard of sound place already, and so here we don't see sound of it. Watch ya! I say champion of play about the earth, they must play a song over there.
You want me to fast forward just a little bit? Or no? You sure?
Money please, and I'm free. That's my sound. I ain't gonna fade away, go in. Rock with us, we don't have light of fame. I have never heard a sound play so heavy and so clear with a sweet tone of melody they could not be here. Never heard a sound play so heavy and so clear. Just that sound, I would every sound clear.
I'm just a special dedication to all farmer, whether you live a sentence or in a Nova. Just this is Mr.
Yo, niggas getting, a lot of people's getting their grind on in here. I'm like this, yo.
Just the beer pump rider. The style when you go get them a go run Jamaica. And in a London, I'm in America. And in a Canada, I'm in a China. It name the video style, it wicked and wild. The video style, it wicked and wild. The one pop son with animal party. And the one pop twitch with human party. And the one called up.
All right. That was, I want to hold that. I want to hold that in a special place when I want to drop another Jamaican joint. Bomba clap. Yo, I was about to hit y'all with a snippet too, man. I was going to get real funny with y'all because y'all going to get a couple of snippets and I want y'all to get a little, just get y'all mad. But this was going to be a snippet. I'm telling y'all what I was going to do and what y'all going to get. The next joint that I drop is going to be snippets, but this one was going to be a snippet, like a little preview, like, and I was going to cut y'all off. You like this, for real, Corey? For real, CoreyO?
I spell money to free a big Willie. High stakes, I got more at stake than Philly.
Hold on, let me bring it back.
Yo, I'm getting
Y'all didn't hear that.
Yo, I'm getting short-term goals when the weather flows. Yes, put away the leathers and put ice on the go. Chilly with enough bail money to free a big Willie. High stakes, I got more at stake than Philly. Shopping sprees, copping threes. Deuce fever, yes, little yes. Bouncing in the next Luger. Tire smoke like Buddha. 50 G's to the crap shooter. Niggas can't fade me. Chrome socks beaming. Through my peripheral, I see you scheming. Stop dreaming, I leave your body steaming. Niggas is fiending, what's the meaning? I'm leaning on any nigga intervening with the sound of my money machine. My cup running over with hundreds. I'm one of the best niggas that done it. 6 sticks and money, y'all niggas don't want it. I got the Godfather flow, the Don Juan, the Marco. Swear to God, don't get it fucked up.
Taking up this time, give you peace of my mind.
This shit can't
Knock the hustle.
But do you think you are?
Yo, y'all know when I used to have all the tapes on the table and everything. You know, I got a problem with that because I really can't live with the mess and everything. And like I have functions and everybody come over and all of a sudden they're like, yo, Corey, let me pick up your phone. They want to make a call. I'm like, yo, it's not on, it's not connected. So and then they want to pick up this phone. Then they want to text somebody. I'm like, yo, stop, don't get funny with me. All right? So anyway, what my random is, what y'all just saw me just do, I'm just trying to find a random with nothing on it. And I want to put it in. I want to put it in. All right? So, watch.
That scene out of state where I drop my slang. I'm deep in the south, kicking up top game. Bouncing on the highway, switching both lanes. Screaming through the sunroof, money ain't a thing. The first big confirmed. Me and my band roll tight like the firm. Get down for life, stride, you better learn. Why play with fire, you burn. We get together like a choir. To acquire what we desire. We do dirt like worms. Produce G's like sperm. To legs spread like germs. I got extensive hoes with expensive clothes. And I sip fine wines and spit vintage flows. But y'all know.
Y'all know?
Yeah.
Cause you can't knock the hustle. Yo, I can't wait to put this video up on the big screen. I think it's gonna look real nice. I hope y'all like it. Yo, put it up on y'all screen, y'all. Alright? Yo, Dax. Yo, I gotta shout out to Dax. Cause Dax always hit me up and he be like this. Yo, CoreyO, I like what you're doing, man. Yo, keep it up. I'll give you a shout out to you, Dax. And he said, yo, he tell the family and everybody, yo, Dax, yo, here you go, man. Shout out. All right, tell your family, all right, one love, all right?
That's just the way I'm making it be.
Keep knocking.
Yo,
Y'all niggas lunching, punching the clock. My function is to make munchin'.
Yo, why he said y'all lunching and munching and punching the clock? He make me seem like, yo, I don't feel like punching the clock no more. Supposed to get in these streets. When he said that, I went to work the next day.
Big back munchin', sipping Remy on the raps, my crew. Something to watch, nothing to stop. Unstoppable, scheme on the ice. I gotta hot your crew. I gotta let you niggas know the time like Movado. My motto, stack rocks like Colorado. Waddle off the champagne, Chris Dow's by the bottle. It's a damn shame what you're not though. Me, slick like a gato, fucking Jay-Z. My pops knew exactly what he did when he made me. Try to get a nut and he got a nut.
What?
Straight bananas, can a nigga see me? Got the US Open, advantage jigger. Serve like Sampras, play fake rappers like a campus. The Tigra, son, you too eager. You ain't having it good, me either. Let's get together and make this whole world believe it's son. Am I?
I'd like to give a shout out to my man, I just left him. I gotta give 2 shout outs. I gotta give a shout out to my man Paulie. Yo, he came through less than like 2 hours. Showed me mad love. Like, you know, and we went to the block where I grew up from. You know, like my man Rick. Yo, when they tell me stories about what I did when we was young, it made me feel good. They was like, yo, when I was young, Corey put me under the wing, took me up, and you know, I'm not gonna go into like real details what he said that, you know, that made a tearjerker situation, but he don't even know that I felt for everything that he said to me, you know, and that's big to me, that I really grabbed somebody's life and I helped them when we was young, you know, and my man Paulie, you know, it's like, I'm sorry for saying you know too much. I'm sorry. And Paulie was there too. He said, yo, you too, the same thing. And I said, yo, Paulie, that's my heart. Rick, that's my heart. Yo, Rick from our building, 635, you know, from the Maria Lopez. Love y'all. Yo, love you, Rick. Love you, Mo. We got memories, man. Yo, I want to tag you in this and everything, man. Yo, let this play out and your name is on it. Yo, Paulie had a great time with you. Yo, from a long distance, like mad hours with you to the short time with you is like, it's abundance on me that I had a great time. That's real talk. You know, always have a good time with my man. That's my heart. That's my dude. You know, and I have a lot of family like that. But you know, fuck, you mess with, I don't want to curse. You mess with Paulie, I'm in them streets looking for you. Not the next day, that day. You can't walk comfortable in these streets. All right? You heard me? Let's rock.
Screaming, all us blacks got is sports and entertainment. Until we even, leaving, as long as I'm breathing. Can't knock the way a nigga eating. Fuck you even.
Taking up this time to give you a piece of my mind. What do you think you are?
Yo, why I got tape sticking together? Like they together like they brothers. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, I have to, random. Now it's random time. Let's do this. Let me see. I just pulled this out. I pulled this out just like it was that moment. I told you. Nope, it was this one. Memorex. Remember that commercial? That the Memorex commercial? Nah, that's Mike. Rest in peace, Mike. I'm not really with the Mike thing. Hold on. Oh, wait. There's another joint. Wait. Hold on. Yo, don't move, y'all. Don't move. I'm going to keep it I'm gonna keep it 1,000. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. And this one right here, I have to do random on this. Or, because I gotta do random on. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on.
Ignore it, like strap shit to make niggas mob shit. You wanna pop shit, nigga, pop